Tired of hauling heavy laundry bags to the laundromat or hand-washing clothes in your tiny sink? We have tested the best portable washing machines on the market to save your time, money, and sanity. Stick around until the end, because our #1 pick completely changed the way we handle laundry in small spaces, and it might just be the exact upgrade you have been searching for to permanently replace your weekly laundromat trips. 7. Erivess Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine. When we first unboxed this machine, we noticed immediately how lightweight it was, which makes it incredibly easy to move in and out of a closet or bathroom. However, that lightweight nature comes with a distinct downside, as the plastic housing feels quite thin and fragile compared to other models we tested. During our initial setup, we felt like we had to be overly cautious not to bump or drop the machine, fearing the outer shell might crack under everyday pressure. In terms of actual washing performance, the Erivess does an acceptable job with very light loads like t-shirts, socks, and undergarments. The wash tub uses a standard pulsator to agitate the clothes, and while it creates a decent whirlpool effect, it significantly struggles the moment you introduce heavier fabrics like denim or thick towels. We found the motor would strain noticeably, and the clothes simply would not turn over efficiently in the water, leaving tougher stains largely untouched. The twin tub design means you have to manually transfer your wet soapy clothes from the washing side over to the spin dryer side. This manual transfer is where the Erivess really began to test our patience, as the spin tub is disproportionately small compared to the wash tub. We had to divide a single wash load into 2 or sometimes 3 separate spinning batches, which added a frustrating amount of manual labor to what should be a convenient process. Furthermore, the spin cycle itself leaves a lot to be desired in terms of water extraction. Even after running the spinner for the maximum allotted time, our clothes emerged much damper than we expected, requiring significantly longer hang-drying times. 6. Vbilobec Portable Washing Machine. Out of the box, it presents a slightly sleeker design than the Erivess, and the control dials feel a bit more responsive and tactile when adjusting your wash and spin timers. We appreciated the slightly larger wash capacity, which allowed us to comfortably fit a few pairs of jeans and some lighter sweaters without immediately bogging down the motor. However, our testing revealed that the Vbilobec has a very aggressive agitation cycle that lacks a true gentle setting for delicate items. When we ran a batch of lighter fabrics and synthetic blends, the intense twisting motion of the pulsator ended up severely tangling the garments together into one massive knot. We found ourselves constantly pausing the cycle to manually untangle sleeves and pant legs to prevent the fabric from stretching or tearing, which completely defeats the purpose of an automated wash. Another significant drawback we encountered was the machine's overall lid and hinge construction. The plastic lids covering both the wash and spin tubs feel incredibly cheap and have a tendency to rattle loudly during operation. After just a few days of rigorous testing, one of the hinges started showing signs of stress, making us seriously question the long-term durability of this unit if used on a regular weekly basis. When it came time to use the spin dryer, we ran into similar balancing issues that plague many lower-end twin-tub machines. The Vbilobec requires the included plastic pressing plate to be perfectly seated over the wet clothes to keep them stable during the high-speed spin. Even when we took great care to pack the clothes evenly and secure the plate, the machine would frequently wobble loudly, forcing us to stop the timer, readjust the load, and start over multiple times per wash day. 5. Super Deal Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine. From the moment we set it up, the Super Deal felt significantly sturdier and better constructed than our previous entries. The plastic body is thicker, the base feels planted and secure, and the overall aesthetic is much cleaner and more modern, making it a decent addition to a cramped bathroom or RV space. During our wash tests, the 1300 RPM motor proved to be quite a powerhouse, tackling everything from heavily soiled gym clothes to dirty kitchen towels with ease. The agitator creates a strong, consistent water flow that genuinely pulls dirt out of the fabric, rather than just pushing the clothes around in a circle. We were very pleased to see our whites coming out visibly brighter, proving that this compact unit packs enough punch for genuine deep cleaning. The twin tub functionality on the Super Deal is surprisingly well proportioned, allowing for a much smoother workflow on laundry day. The wash tub holds about 8 pounds of laundry, while the spin tub handles roughly 5 pounds, meaning we only had to split our loads in half rather than thirds. The transfer process is quick, and the wider opening of the spin tub makes dropping in heavy wet garments much less of a hassle. We were also highly impressed with the spin drying performance of this machine. Unlike the previous models that left clothes soaking wet, the Super Deal spin cycle aggressively wrings out excess water, leaving garments only slightly damp to the touch. We hung our t-shirts and lighter trousers on a drying rack, and they were completely bone dry in just a few hours, which is a massive time saver for anyone living without a dedicated tumble dryer. 4. Giantex Portable Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine. When we brought this unit into our testing space, we immediately loved the large capacity it offered without taking up a massive footprint. With a total capacity of around 17.6 pounds, we were finally able to wash a queen-sized bedsheet and several pillowcases in a single load, which is incredibly liberating for a portable appliance. The dual-motor system in the Giantex is excellent, allowing you to wash a load of clothes and spin dry another load simultaneously. We tested this by running a continuous laundry assembly line, and the machine handled the dual power draw without any electrical hiccups or noticeable drops in motor performance. This simultaneous operation cuts laundry time in half, making it perfect for couples or small families trying to get through the weekend chores quickly. We also have to praise the built-in lint filter located inside the wash tub. In many portable machines, pet hair and lint just float around and reattach to the clothes, but the Giantex effectively catches debris during the wash cycle. After washing a load of dark sweaters that were covered in dog hair, we checked the filter and were amazed at how much lint it successfully trapped, leaving our garments looking pristine. The spin cycle on the Giantex is another major highlight, operating much more smoothly and quietly than we anticipated. It still requires manual balancing, but the drum design seems to be more forgiving of slight weight discrepancies, meaning we rarely experienced the dreaded machine walking effect. The clothes came out incredibly well run out, proving the 300-watt wash motor and 110-watt spin motor are perfectly calibrated for the job. Drainage is handled by a built-in drain pump, which elevates this machine above standard gravity drain models. 3. COMFEE Portable Washing Machine. Setting up the COMFEE was a completely different experience. We simply attached the Quick Connect hose to our kitchen faucet, plugged the unit into a standard outlet, and we were ready to go. There is no manual transferring of wet clothes between tubs here. You simply drop your dirty laundry in, hit start, and walk away. The transparent glass lid and sleek digital control panel give the COMFEE a premium, high-end feel that rivals full-sized machines. We loved being able to monitor the wash cycle through the top, and the digital display makes it incredibly easy to select between the multiple wash programs and water levels. Whether we needed a heavy-duty cycle for muddy jeans or a quick 15-minute wash for lightly soiled items, the programming was intuitive and highly responsive. In our performance tests, the stainless steel inner tub proved to be exceptionally gentle on fabrics, while still delivering a vivid clean. The machine uses a precise impeller motion that thoroughly agitates the water without tying the clothes into knots. We tested it with delicate blouses and heavy cotton bath towels in the same week, and the COMFEE automatically adjusted its water levels to match the load size, saving both water and energy in the process. One of the standout features of this machine is how unbelievably quiet it is during operation. We ran a full load late at night in a small apartment, and the hum of the motor and the swishing of the water were barely noticeable from the next room. Even during the final high-speed spin cycle, the machine remained perfectly balanced and stable, producing almost zero vibration on our hardwood floors. 2. Auertech 28 pounds Portable Washing Machine. When we first saw the 28-pound capacity rating, we were skeptical, but our testing proved this machine is a genuine workhorse. We were able to pack an entire week's worth of laundry for 2 people, including thick winter coats and heavy bath mats, and the Auertech did not break a sweat. The washing power comes from a formidable dual-motor setup that provides intense agitation, creating a rolling water effect that deeply penetrates thick fabrics. We intentionally stained several white shirts with coffee and mud before throwing them in, and the Auertech managed to lift the stains completely using only standard liquid detergent. The large wash tub gives the clothes plenty of room to move freely, which is the secret to its superior cleaning capability. Despite its massive capacity, the machine remains surprisingly portable and easy to manage. It features hidden handles and operates quietly enough that it doesn't become a nuisance in an open-concept living space. We love the durable, rust-proof plastic body, which felt virtually indestructible during our testing phase, assuring us that this machine could easily survive years of heavy use or rough RV travel. The spin dryer on the Auertech is equally impressive, utilizing a large drum that easily accommodates bulky items like blankets and jackets. The 1300 RPM spin speed is incredibly forceful, extracting so much water that our lighter garments practically felt dry the moment we pulled them out. Even with a tub full of soaking wet denim, the machine remained grounded and balanced, a testament to its excellent structural design and weight distribution. The built-in drain pump is powerful and efficient, quickly clearing the massive wash tub of dirty water in just a matter of minutes. BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer. This fully automatic machine is an engineering marvel that brings the exact performance of a premium, full-sized washing machine into a form factor that fits perfectly in a small closet or bathroom. Setting it up was flawless thanks to the included high-quality sink adapter and quick connect hoses that created a watertight seal on the first try. The build quality is outstanding, featuring a beautiful, durable exterior and a premium stainless steel drum that resists rust and odors. We were blown away by the sophisticated control panel, which offers a multitude of customizable wash cycles, water temperatures, and load sizes. During our testing, we ran everything from delicate silks to heavily soiled outdoor workwear, and the BLACK+DECKER executed every single cycle with absolute perfection, treating every fabric exactly as it should. What truly sets this machine apart is its superior wash action and intelligent sensors. It automatically detects the size of your load and fills the tub with the precise amount of water needed, taking all the guesswork out of laundry day. The clothes came out exceptionally clean, smelling incredibly fresh and totally free of any detergent residue, proving the rinse cycles are just as thorough as the wash cycles. The spin cycle on the BLACK+DECKER is whisper quiet and phenomenally efficient, utilizing auto-balancing technology that works flawlessly every single time. We never once had to pause the machine to rearrange wet clothes. The washer intelligently agitated and balanced the load on its own before entering the high-speed spin. Our clothes came out incredibly light and airy, drastically reducing our air drying time to just an hour or two. Ultimately, the BLACK+DECKER portable washer is the perfect investment because it requires zero compromises.